What's going on, traders? It's Tyler from Trade Kings. Today we're going over OXBR on the stock ticker Oxbridge Holdings. We're looking at the 15-minute chart right now. We'll go ahead and start by drawing our support and resistance. We got a resistance up here at about 294, and then we got our support down here at $1.38. Then we have the median sitting right here at about 212. So we got a big range in here for this one. This one gapped up earlier this morning. There's no news on it, I believe, but it is a low float at 3.13 million shares float. So it did pop up from about 99 cents all the way. It ran up all the way to about 294 today. So that was the high, and then it came back down. Was not able to get the momentum to push higher, and it came back down all the way down here to $1.38. So it fell below the moving average. It fell below the VWAP. Not all of it, but most of the bullish momentum is gone. So we'll go ahead and go over this really quick. If you're looking to go long in the stock, you're holding maybe, or you want to buy. Maybe you like the company, you're looking for the best time to buy. Maybe you're just looking to scalp it really quick like I do. Well, basically what we're going to want to see is we need to see a break back above this moving average and back above this VWAP and then back above this median. So we need three things to happen. We need those three things to happen. And then what we want to do is once that happens, that's giving us the signal to watch this stock, right? I'm sure it'll show up in your momentum scanner. So just make sure you're watching the scanner, and then be looking out for this. Obviously, if you want to trade, it's up to you, obviously. So anyways, once we see those three things happen, what we want to see next is we want that second confirmation, right? We got the first confirmation, those three things, that's one confirmation. That's the signal. That's giving you the heads up. Now you're looking for that retest for that continuation, right? Because you need a retest, you need it to breathe, you need to pull back. So we want to see a pullback, and then once we see that stabilization, that bullish volume start to kick in, that's when we hop in for the trade, ride it up to the next resistance, just like so. And there's your trade. Now, once we get up here to this resistance, you can always anticipate that breakthrough, but it's always good to sell like 3/4 your position. That's what I do anyway, so I would just let that out there, because this way, in case it were to hit up here and just fall right back down, you sold 3/4 your position, you get out right here at the last 100, you're still in profit. So it's as simple as that. Now, if you sell 3/4 your position, you're still holding that 1/4 and it breaks through, and you see it and it comes back down to retest this area, just like it did here, pull back and retest, and then you see that bullish volume kick in, and you see that bullish candle kick in, that triangle pattern happening, and then boom, you add to your position. You can add to your position there, and that's just another opportunity, right? So you got to be looking out for stuff like that. So those are the two potential opportunities for this one. But I will say you're going to be needing to expect a lot of momentum for that to happen. Just like here, it can happen. But just expect that you're going to need to see that a lot of momentum, for me anyways, in order to jump in a trade like this. Now, if you're looking to go short, a lot of the opportunity was missed. As you see here, it dropped below the median, it came back up, retest, and was rejected. Now, it created some support here. So what we'll be looking for tomorrow is, if you're looking to go short still, or if you're already short, what we're going to want to see is a break below this newly created support. So we want to see a break below this newly created support at some point, and then we want to see it come back up to retest that support and create new resistance, right? And once that happens, that gives you the first signal. And then what do we want? We want the second signal, which is more bearish candles, more rejected wicks. We want another bearish signal. We want candlesticks, patterns, a new pattern. We want long wicks drawn the opposite way. We want bearish candles. So that's when there's not much room here to be shorting. I mean, because this was the low and that's where it hopped up from. So you got to keep that in mind too. So I mean, sure, there's a small opportunity to short, but a lot more potential on the long side. But for this to happen, it's going to need a lot of momentum. Okay, traders, if this video helped you at all, please hit that like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see these videos every so often. I try to do every day. But thank you. Have a wonderful day.